Hello everybody, welcome back to the holiday card series. Today I'm using Newton's Candy Cane by Newton's Nook. I'm also using some window plastic by Judikins. This is new to me. I am going to be making a shaker card. And I'm using a piece of paper from the Doodlebug Milk and Cookies paper pad. That was the Christmas collection last year. So this is a project for Scrapping for Less, which is focusing on Newton's Nook stamps this month. If you're not familiar with Scrapping for Less, they do have a monthly card kit, but they also sell stamps and dies and paper pads for less than retail price. So if you're interested in checking that out, I will leave the links below. So I'm going for a monochromatic Christmas card in pinks and white. I don't know what it is with me right now with pinks for Christmas, but I'm absolutely loving it. So I'm using my favorite pink combination, R85, R83, and R81. I've gone ahead and colored up some of the candies and the hearts because I'm using the same three colors. For the cat itself, I wanted to do a light gray kitty cat. I thought that would be really pretty with the pinks and the white for this card. So I'm just using actually C3 and C1. I don't end up bringing in the C5 at all. I just felt like it was too dark and the C3 was dark enough for the look that I was going for. So this image was super easy to color up, and this kitty is absolutely adorable. A perfect holiday card for the cat lover on your list. So stinking cute. So I'm just gonna blend out the rest of the cat and then we'll move on to making the shaker card. I am doing a little bit of tip to tip here with the C1 and the C3 just to get that blended really nicely. I'm going to add some detail to the cat with a white gel pen, so I'm not too worried about giving this kitty a furry look or anything. I just want it to be a really soft, pretty gray color. So I am going to cut these out myself. I didn't end up using my brother's scan and cut for this one. I just sat and watched some TV and fussy cut out the images. Super simple to cut out. The cattail and everything is really easy. So if you're looking for something and you don't have a die cut machine, this is a really cute image. So now I'm going to add the white gel pen detail here. So I'm going to attempt to make the candy cane look shiny. I'm going to add some little stripes to the kitty cat and added some polka dots, some 3 dots on its cheeks just to brighten it up. I'm going to add some white detailing on the hat, and then the image will be ready to go for the card. So I used a scalloped circle die here just to cut out a piece of this cardstock. Came in the Christmas flavor of the month card kit. And so I'm just going to heat emboss this using some white embossing powder, again sticking to the monochromatic theme of the card. Really love this sentiment, peppermint kisses and mistletoe wishes. So adorable. So I'm just going to get that heat embossed. I'm using the Cloudy Frame border. This is a die by Pink and Main. I've gone ahead and added my acetate sheet, and I've added the 3M foam adhesive to it as well. I'm just going to glue some of the candies right onto the pattern paper that I'm using. This pattern paper was perfect for this card and really inspired the color choices with the pink candy canes and candies. I'm going to use some of the sequins by Buttons Galore that came in the Christmas flavor of the month kit as well. And then I have these candy cane little, they're not sequins, confetti. I just picked out all of the white ones to add to that mix. I added in some more of the candies into the shaker element. And now I'm going to adhere the pattern paper to the back of the shaker part. I added some double double-sided adhesive to that so it stays well onto the cardstock card base, and then I'm going to add my image and the sentiment. So I'm just going to place that little cutie down to the bottom right hand corner and overlapping it with the sentiment, and then as a finishing touch I'm going to add 3 of the hearts to the card as well. I'm just kind of figuring out where I want them to go. At first I used wet adhesive here, and as you can see it comes up with my finger, it didn't stick. So for the next one that's going to be touching the glitter cardstock, I'm going to use some red line tape, and that it just won't move at all, and I'll go back and fix that first heart as well so that it doesn't come off the card at all. So that's the card for today, everyone. I hope you're enjoying the holiday series. Let me know what you think about a pink card for Christmas. I am going to stamp the sentiment here before I say my final goodbyes, and this came in the stamp set as well. It says wishing you a sweet Christmas, and I'm adding a candy in the inside as well, and there's a final look of the card. Have a great day. Thanks for stopping by.